Today I'm recreating Tipi Hedren look from a famous movie called The Birds from Hitchcock. It's one of the most famous movies in history of cinematography. So Tipi has beautiful look in that film, with baby blue eyeshadow, with almost salmon pink lips, the blusher, everything is so well balanced, everything looks so beautiful in camera. And today I wanted to do that look, but with modern twist, with modern take. I don't want to fully recreate it, but be just inspired by it. Of course that I will do all the colors, but for my skin tone, because the blusher that works on her maybe doesn't work on me. So with modern twist, but still that look. I'm taking my my foundation, and this is a bit it has more coverage than I would usually use, but I have a bit of redness here around my nose and I'm feeling a bit tired, so I will use a bit more coverage, but still I'm shearing it out by application. So when I say that I'm shearing out foundation with application, I mean that I'm using this kind of brush first, and then this to just melt it in my skin, and this brush takes the excess of foundation. So Tipi has a bit of grey into her socket, but very light grey, nothing that you can see at first, just to create a little depth, just make her eyes more pop, and it goes nice with lightning in the film, so that doesn't look very flat and without any dimension. So I'm just popping that bit of grey into my socket, again to make it more deeper. So now it looks quite harsh, as you can see, but I will just blend it. Now I have this beautiful eye palette from Saint Laurent. As you can see, this beautiful baby blue eyeshadow is there. So this eyeshadow, these eyeshadows from brand are not the best ones, I have to say. So I have to take time and really slowly build this with my fingers, because they're not very pigmented and not the best quality, if you ask me. And this is classic 50s look with blue eyeshadow, and in 50s like women had that blue eyeshadow and red lipstick, and it looked wonderful, especially in America, like housewives and everything. So it looked beautiful. Now I'm putting another layer of blue. This one is matte, to intensify this blue and to make it matte. Not fully matte, but not that shimmery. And you can also mix it with white to make it more baby blue. So play with colors. So you don't have just this color and that's your color. You can mix it with white to make it more baby blue. You can mix it with black to make it more deeper. You can mix it with yellow, with yellow to make it green. So what you have is not really what you have. You can make a lot more with what you have. So I always like to do that, mix colors, create new colors, new textures, new finishes. It is part of creative process, which I adore. And it makes you feel good when you create something new out of what you have. So it's almost like you are not limited. So it's great feeling. Now I will line very close to my lashes, and I would like to use gel. I recommend you to use a gel, but I don't have it right here at the moment, so I added a bit of color, a bit of water in this eyeshadow to make it like paste. So very close. For concealer, I will mix 2 shades because I don't have my right shade at the moment. So I will mix 2 shades. One is too yellow for me, and one is too pale, too white for me. And just apply it under my eyes to lift shadows. I did my eyelashes, as you can see. Now I will do my brows. Normally I would do my brows off camera because you have seen this a million times. But Tipi has very harsh brows in the film, and that's completely normal for that time. For 50s, women had very harsh brows, and it was visible that it was not their brows, it was just pencil. So I will do a gel. So this is that modern twist. I'm not doing brows with pencil, very harsh brows. I'm doing with just gel. So this is the modern part of the look. So that's it. I'm thinking of doing a bit of contour. I think that I will. I have my Canon, the best shade of contour, and I won't do too much, just to define face with very fluffy brush. And for blusher, I'm choosing very nice, it's damaged completely. I'm choosing this very nice shade of pink. Oh god, it's disaster, it's going very nice shade of pink. And Tipi has a bit more like orange, I think, but I'm using this because it very suits to my skin tone and hold this color palette in makeup. So I will apply it on the apples of my cheeks, slowly building it. And another modern take on this look is clear lips. So she has orangey lips and orangey salmon pink, something like that. It changes throughout the film due to lighting and whole atmosphere in film. So I'm using MAC, just MAC clear lip gloss all over lips. Maybe I can do a bit of Fenty because it is a bit orangey, something like that. It's orangey pink. Let's see. It looks nice. I will go with Fenty, not with MAC, but with Fenty one. And I will not make it that glossy because this gloss is very shiny. I will use my fingers to melt it. So this is the finished result. I really hope you like it. I hope that you understand that modern take on look and everything, and I hope that I did not offend anyone. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want, and see you in the next one.